What it is?
Here we go.
Chip. It's your boy Weston Millie. You don't think I heard that shit? Saw them little messages, nigga? Shit. These faggot ass niggas wanna hate on Facebook and shit. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell them like it is. Fuck it. Shit, you can't fuck with me, nigga. Yo, I remember back when I was a glasses wearing nerd. Now I wear tinted glasses, wear all black shirts. I was getting picked on. Now I'm getting picked up by a nice pretty thing. All she wanna do is cut, so what's up? What's good? I'm on this here. Been thugging since 13, smoking weed, drinking beer. I was rolling with some folks that ain't know no better. Motherfuckers changed on me when I lost that cheddar. I'm getting back now off my moves and licks. I'm on my dolo shit, getting dolo rich. Crip keep talking trash on some Facebook beef. Me versus you is a werewolf attacking the sheep. Yo, be careful, Dwight. You don't want to get me started. You's a lame ass nigga, and I heard you rest retarded. Talk a good game like he getting mad bitches, but the only chick I saw you with in school was Keisha Gibbons. With her in middle school, I've been there and done that. Still talking to her now, I bet you didn't know that. So stop talking out the side of your mouth. I'm making hits while you at home beating off to your couch. I'm good, use fruity, I'm hood, use moody. I'm a Louisville slugger, use a soft ass smoothie. Yeah,